Morning everybody, here we are again, another day with the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition exploring Cornwall, and we're in Kaynance Cove, which is one of the hidden gems of Cornwall. This place is crazy and we're going to show you around here with this camera in 360 so you can have a look about and just explore a little bit. This is just, yeah, there's no other place in the UK like this. It's amazing. If you ever get a chance to visit Kaynance Cove, Kaynance Cove, yeah, Cornwall. This is just probably one of the most amazing places that I've been in Cornwall. It's quite ridiculous how beautiful this place is. And the tide's out. This wasn't out last time we came. This was all underwater. Looks like we can walk all the way around through the cove this time, so that's what we're going to do. How mad's this? Huh? How mad's this? Look at that.
That's pretty huge.
Oh man, look at this. This is absolutely incredible. Whoa, look, it goes through there. Look, there's a gap. What? This is unbelievable. Wow. What? Exploring amazing cave in 360. Whoa, it goes all the way through? No way. That's mad.
Oh, it's all moist.
Wow. Go on, Jake. Yeah. Go on.
No, I'm not going all wild.
I'll put the camera down there. What? Oh my god, it goes underneath there. What? Echo! This is crazy. Can't actually get over how cool this is. Pretty sick actually that you can record and explore these caves. I mean, there's how silent it is in here as well. And it goes sort of in this U shape. Perfect low light test actually. Pretty amazing. Oh man. Really crazy that this is just like being eroded over millions and millions of years. It's just boggles my mind, really does. Amazing. Canines Cove, you have to visit this place. It is absolutely crazy. There's Jake chilling, having his protein bar, because we're going to walk up that way in just a second, up there, and then back down probably There's a native bird just to Cornwall that you only see around here called the chuff. It's like a crow with a red beak, and you probably see them flying around, so we'll try and spot some chuffs while we're up here. Chuffing hell. And then we'll probably walk back down, and then we're walking back up to the car park and all the way to Lizard Point, which is over that kind of area for about 4 miles for our little walk of the day. So that's what we're doing today. But this is, yeah, testing this new camera out for these kind of videos, these adventure videos, the 1-inch sensor with the bright sunlight, and then we're doing a low light test as well over this week as well, so that you'll see that video probably before this or maybe after it, I don't know yet. But having this external audio, having these 1-inch sensors, having the 21 megapixel for photos as well, there's just so much you can do with this camera, and it is definitely my go-to adventure exploring camera 100%, because you can just do so much and get such good quality, and it's really easy to use as well. It's push and go. It's got that quick catcher, so you can just press record and it turns on and records. It's just brilliant. It's not too heavy for carrying around. Some people are asking about the weight of it. It's a lot heavier than the X2, but it's definitely lighter than sort of the ZV-1 or a normal camera, but so it's not too heavy to sort of hold out like that. It's really easy to use. Everything about this camera I just love at the moment. Really enjoying using it, and it's exciting and it's creative and it's fun to use, unlike normal cameras. Definitely having that option to reframe in post as well is brilliant, because sometimes you're not sort of pointing the camera at something. With this, you're recording everything, so you can alter it in post-production and, yeah, change sort of the field of view as well. So, love it. Look at this, oh my word. Crazy. Oh wow. Amazing. This is a photo opportunity, this is. So that is it, dude. You can't get any more south than this. This is the most southerly point in the UK. And you can see the seals. There's one seal there, just bobbing its head over. 1, 2, there's one there, and there was another one. And this is the coast.
You can't actually get down.
Really sick. And that's our exploration down to the Lizard. We're gonna walk the 2 miles back to the car park now, and then we'll see you back later, because we're gonna explore the beach at night and sunset later again. That's it. See you in a bit, guys.